Now, this is a really simple heart, a simple hat that involves a heart that is fast and easy to make, but it plays out really big. We've got two 260s. I've chosen a lilac and a bubblegum pink, and then a 6-inch heart that I've inflated fully to make a nice heart. So we're going to start with whichever color you want. I'm going to have to start with the lilac. First, maybe the person's head. And these, of course, were inflated just about all the way, as you can see. I forgot to mention that. And we're going to take and find about the midway point of our crossover piece. We're making a basing helmet again. And I'm going to put a pinch twist right in the middle of it. And then we're going to come across the other side and secure it. So again, we've got a basic helmet. The only difference being is that now I've got a pinch twist in the middle of this. And I'm going to shift that pinch twist down to the bottom there. Then we're going to take our heart and we're going to twist it into that pinch twist there on top. And that pinch twist gives us something to twist it into and also helps it stand upright a little better. You could stop like that and have a cute hat, and a lot of kids would like that, but to make it a little more special, we'll take our other 260, take one of the ends, doesn't matter which is always easier if you start with the knotted end, give your twist on the other, and just twist it into one of our little end pieces sticking out our helmet, and then come all the way across the top, twist a little bubble off the other end, and do the same thing on the other side, just like that. And it gives it a nice little arch, or some of the kids like to call that a rainbow. And you have to kind of shape it a bit to be kind of center a little better. You have a heart with an arch over the top of it. Really cute.